कैन आई स्पीक इन हिंदी सर?
श्योर।
अगर सर जैसे मैं
गुड इवनिंग
पास्ट
सर।
पास्ट में आपने मुझे होमवर्क दिया कुछ, और वहां ऐसा कुछ नोट करने
हेलो
के लिए
सर,
मेरे
गुड।
पास था नहीं उसमें। अब आज प्रेजेंट में मैं बोलूं, अगर उसमें कुछ होता नोट करने के लिए तो ऑफ कोर्स मैं नोट कर लेती।
इसको
पर
कंडीशनल सेंटेंस कहते हैं।
यस सर।
ये बहुत दिन बाद आता है, लेकिन चूंकि आपने पूछ दिया तो मैं फटाक से बता देता हूँ। आई वुड हैव रिटन डाउन इफ देयर हैड बीन समथिंग टू राइट। आई वुड हैव रिटन डाउन if there had been something to write.
आई वुड हैव।
Anish, Nishat, how are you guys doing? So Anshu, I was waiting for a response, but I didn't never got a response from you. Why? You listen, listen, and just listen. I said, why not? If you have improved so much, you're writing good sentences, I can see now. Then why confusion? Why not have clarity about what is what? What is stopping you from being confident and clear about what you know? Why to be in two minds? Why to be confused? Why be confused? You still don't understand the difference between he's doing something and he does something?
आई अंडरस्टैंड सर।
You understand that? And why do you get confused at times?
गुड इवनिंग सर।
Hey, Shubhankar.
हेलो।
Hi, Saloni. Who are you living with these days, Saloni? Who are you living with these days, Saloni? If she doesn't understand this sentence, what will I say? You don't understand what I'm asking, Saloni? Anshu, I'm asking Saloni who she's living with these days. Who she is living with these days. Can you understand what I'm asking?
किसके साथ?
किसके साथ
इस
क्या?
डे
किसके साथ क्या? आगे बात
किस,
बोल।
किसके साथ हो रही है इस
रह
बीच में?
रही है। रह रही है। वेरी वेल डन, अंशु। हु शी इज लिविंग विद दीज डेज। वेल डन, अंशु। वेल डन। मैंने कहा ना कि कभी कभी तुम्हारा दिमाग ब्लॉक हो जाता है और कुछ नहीं, बाकी ऐसा नहीं कि तुम कुछ नहीं महसूस करते हो। यू अंडरस्टैंड क्वाइट अ बिट ऑफ इंग्लिश नाउ। हु शी इज लिविंग विद दीज डेज। नाउ आंसर, सलोनी। And guys, you will be surprised to know that Saloni is a sister of a boy who improved his English so much being with me in my class, you know. He swears by my class. He knows how I teach and how he has improved so much. He's done three courses: the elementary, the pre-intermediate, the intermediate, and then he was so convinced about the class, he sent Saloni, his sister, to my class. And yet, Saloni has not done much. Saloni always says to me, "Bhaiya, spend so much time reading the book, listening to the audio, and you think you will learn without spending time." Good students spend time with their books, the books I give, the audio files I share, they spend time with them. That's why they improve. Okay.
सर यू आर लुकिंग हैंडसम टुडे।
I told you that I was going to get the mustache thing, but I decided not to get a, Fauji style haircut. Yeah, because I want to have long hair for some time.
इट्स फाइन सर।
Yeah. My wife said, your students will not recognize you. I said, oh, really? You think I'm looking so good? My wife doesn't give me a direct compliment anymore. She says things indirectly. So today we are going to first check your homework in the practice book. And then we will, if we have time, we will go to the main book. Listen to Nobru talking to his American friend Sally about his visit to Elvis Presley's house, Graceland. So, who is talking to who? Noburu is talking to his American friend Sally. And what are they talking about? They are talking about Noburu's visit to Elvis's house, Graceland. Answer the questions. So I'll play the audio first.
Unit 11, Exercise 7, Parts 1 and 2.
So, you're going to visit Graceland?
So, you're going to visit Graceland. So, you're going to visit Graceland.
You're so lucky.
You're so lucky. Can you repeat?
You're so lucky.
You are
So lucky.
you are going to visit Graceland. You are so lucky.
It is not Graceland, it is Graceland. You changed it.
Graceland.
Graceland. Graceland is a country, Renu. I mean, you heard Graceland or Graceland, Renu?
Graceland. Yeah.
But you said Graceland. Okay. You're going to visit Graceland. You're so lucky. What do you think? Sally is also a big fan of Elvis Presley or not?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah. She's
she as well.
also
She's also a big fan, right?
Big fan.
Because she says, so you're going to visit Graceland. You're so lucky. You're so lucky. This part tells us that perhaps she also likes Elvis Presley a lot. She's also a big fan.
Yes, I know.
Yes, I know.
We're very excited.
We are very excited. Yes, I know. We are very excited.
Where are you going to stay?
Where are you going to stay? Easy question, everybody. You know this sentence? Where are you
Yeah.
going to stay? Hindi?
कहाँ रुकने वाले
पक्का
हो?
रुकेंगे।
कहाँ रुकिएगा? कहाँ रुकोगे?
कहाँ
कहाँ रुकने वाले हो? कहाँ रुकने का इरादा है? All the sentences are the same? Any difference? No. Where are you going to stay?
In the center of Memphis?
In the center of Memphis?
No, we're going to stay in a hotel.
No. No, we are not going to stay in the center of Memphis. We are going to stay in a hotel.
In a hotel.
We are going to stay in a hotel
Near to Graceland.
near to Graceland. We are not going to stay in the center of city center, in the center of Memphis. We are going to stay near to Graceland. Near Graceland, near to Graceland, it's the same thing.
Wow,
Wow, you're going to stay near to Graceland?
really?
Yes, it's called Heartbreak Hotel.
Yeah, it's called Heartbreak Hotel. Where are they going to stay?
They are going to stay in
They are going
Heartbreak.
to stay in a hotel
Stay in
near
Heartbreak
to Graceland.
What is the name of their hotel?
Heartbreak
Heartbreak.
Hotel.
It's called Heartbreak.
It's called
Heartbreak
Heartbreak.
Hotel.
Yeah.
It's called Heartbreak Hotel. So if you know that he's such a big star, or he was such a big star, Elvis, okay, then everything in his town will have a mark of Elvis or not. Do you understand what I said? If Elvis was such a big star, then everything in his town in Memphis will have a mark of his or not.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
It could be.
Yeah, when you go to, Sabarmati, everything there has a mark of Gandhi, right? Gandhi was such a big, big name. So similarly, when you go to Memphis, the city where Elvis came from, everything there will have his mark. So they're going to stay in a hotel near to Graceland. And what is the name of the hotel?
Heartbreak.
Heartbreak.
Listen to this next line.
Of course.
Of course. हाँ समझ सही बात सही है.
Like the song.
Like the song. Like the song. पसंद करना कि गाने की तरह.
की तरह.
रेनू जवाब देंगी. Like यहाँ क्या है? Verb या preposition?
Preposition.
Like the song. Like the
Song.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही बात है. गनमा जैसे गनमा है ना वैसे जैसे वैसी है ना. What is the song? Which song are they talking about? Elvis Presley sang a song called Heartbreak Hotel. Understand, guys? Elvis Presley sang a song called
Heartbreak.
Heartbreak Hotel. And this hotel is also called Heartbreak Hotel.
Heartbreak.
That's why, the girl says, oh, like the song. Okay.
And what happens on the tour?
And what happens on the tour? What happens on the tour? क्या क्या होता है जब टूर पे कोई जाता है तो क्या क्या होता है वहां पे? What happens on the tour? What happens on the tour?
What do you do first?
What do you do first? पहले क्या करते हैं लोग? What do you do first? आप पहले क्या करते हैं या पहले लोग पहले क्या करते हैं? What do you do first? बताओ जल्दी.
What do you do first? आप क्या किया पहले?
पहले क्या करते हैं?
पहले क्या किया? आप
What do you
पहले.
do first?
What do you do?
Well, to Graceland.
Wow, really?
Yes, it's called Heartbreak Hotel.
Of course, like the song. And what happens on the tour? What do you do first?
And what happens on the tour? What do you do first?
What do you do first?
She wants to know about the tour. So what will she ask? तो tour पे क्या क्या होता है? क्या करते हैं लोग पहले जाते हैं तो? Right? What do you do first? आप क्या करते हैं? ये तो नहीं पूछा जाएगा. तो फिर यहाँ you मतलब people who go on the tour to Graceland. What do you do first? क्या करते हैं लोग पहले? What do you do first?
Well, first we're going to have a photo taken.
First, we are going to have a photo taken. हम लोग सबसे पहले फोटो खिंचवाएंगे. First, we are going to have our photo taken or have a photo taken. First, we are going to have a photo taken. First, we are going to have a photo taken. We are going to have a photo taken. We are going to have a photo taken. Repeat. मैंने 5 बार कर दिया. तुम करो.
We are going to have a photo taken.
We are going to have a photo taken.
First, we are going to have a photo taken. सबसे पहले तो हम लोग फोटो बोलो आगे. कुछ नहीं बोल पाओगे. सबसे पहले तो हम लोग फोटो फेंकेंगे, है ना?
फोटो लेंगे.
फोटो
फोटो लेंगे,
खिंचवाएंगे.
फोटो खिंचवाएंगे. पहले सबसे पहले फोटो खिंचवाएंगे. First, we are going to have a photo taken. Have our photo taken in front of the famous music gates. In front of the famous music gates. First, we are going to have a photo taken or our photo taken in front of the famous music gates.
Sir, going to have a photo taken taken
Yes, I'm coming to that.
participle.
I'm going to explain that, Shubhankar. Just give me a minute. Guys, when I say I polish my shoes on Sundays, I said this sentence, imagine me. Close your eyes and imagine. Close your eyes, everybody. I polish my shoes every Sunday. So, do you see me in your visualization? Do you see me? Say yes with your eyes closed. Do you see me? Do you see shoes in my hands? Do you see a brush in my hand? Do you see
Yes.
me moving my hand on my shoe like this? Now tell me, what am I doing? I'm polishing my shoes, right? In your visualization, I am polishing my shoes. I'm polishing my shoes, everybody. Open your eyes now. Got it? You saw me polishing my shoes. I polish my shoes every Sunday. I polish my shoes every Sunday. Got it? Now, another example. This time again, you will try to visualize it. You will again close your eyes. I water my plants every Sunday morning. I water my plants every Sunday morning. Do you see me in the garden? Do I have am I holding something? A container of water? Am I going from one plant to another plant? Can you see me sprinkling some water on each plant and moving one step to another plant, then to another plant? What am I doing, guys? I'm watering my plants, right? Fine, thank you. You can open your eyes. So you visualized me watering my plants. I water my plants every Sunday morning, okay? I water my plants every Sunday morning. No problems, no issues. Now, imagine me this time. I'm standing. Close your eyes. I am standing. I am standing. I don't have the brush in my hands. I don't have the shoes in my hands. There is a man sitting there. He has my shoes in his hands. He has a brush. He is polishing the brush. I'm just standing there with 10 or 20 rupees in my hand like this. I'm giving the rupees to him. And he is brushing my shoes. मैं क्या कर रहा हूं? Am I polishing my shoes in this visualization? Am I polishing my shoes, people? Am
No.
I polishing? No, I'm standing there with 10, 20 rupees in my hands like this. I'm just standing there, right? मेरे को फोन कॉल अभी आ जाए, क्या कर रहे हो विनय? मैं क्या बोलूंगा? मैं जूते पॉलिश कर रहा हूं। मैं क्या बोलूंगा?
I'm going to have
है हिंदी में मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? क्या कर रहे हो विनय? मैं क्या बोलूंगा?
मैं पॉलिश करवा रहा हूँ।
मैं जूते पॉलिश
करवा रहा हूँ।
करवा
कर
रहा हूँ। हिंदी भी समझ में आ गई, सिचुएशन भी समझ में आ गया, हाँ या ना? 100%। अब इंग्लिश सीखेंगे। I'm having, मैंने क्या बोल दिया? I'm having, यानी वर्ब क्या है इसमें? have।
have have
have वर्ब है। मैं करवा, क्या कर रहे हो विनय? जूते पॉलिश करवा रहे हैं। I'm having, वर्ब क्या है? have। have। थैंक यू बेटा, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू। And I need some water. I have water. I have water. Yes, I'm having. आगे सुनना, ऑर्डर पे ध्यान देना, वर्ड ऑर्डर पे, पे अटेंशन। I'm having my shoes polished. I'm having, मैं करवा रहा हूँ, कौन सा टेंस? मैं करवा रहा हूँ, कौन सा टेंस?
continuous
कंटिन्यूअस।
yeah
मैंने इंग्लिश
Yeah.
में भी कंटिन्यूअस बोला कि नहीं? आई एम हैविंग,
हम्म,
बोला ना?
Yes.
कंटिन्यूअस ही है ना? आई एम हैविंग कौन सा टेंस है?
कंटिन्यूअस, प्रेजेंट
हिंदी
कंटिन्यूअस।
हिंदी में भी वही था ना, क्या कर रहे हो? तो जवाब क्या देंगे? कंटिन्यूअस में देंगे। आई एम हैविंग माई शूज
My
पॉलिश्ड।
shoes
Polished.
हैविंग माई
polished.
शूज पॉलिश्ड।
Polished.
पॉलिश।
हैविंग माई शूज पॉलिश्ड। नई
Polished.
बातों को एक्नॉलेज करना, क्वेश्चन मत करना, ओके? और जो जानते हो उस पे ध्यान देना। आई एम हैविंग, थैंक यू बेटा। आई एम हैविंग माई शूज पॉलिश्ड। आई एम हैविंग। अब मैं इसको प्रेजेंट सिंपल में बोलता हूं। आई हैव। आई एम हैविंग को मैं क्या बना दूंगा?
I
I
have.
have.
I have.
प्रेजेंट सिंपल समझ में आता है दोस्तों? आई एम ईटिंग का प्रेजेंट सिंपल क्या होता है? आई ईट।
I
आई एम टीचिंग का प्रेजेंट सिंपल क्या होता है? आई टीच।
I teach.
I
teach.
teach.
आई एम शाउटिंग का प्रेजेंट सिंपल
I sh
आई शाउट। तो आई एम हैविंग का प्रेजेंट सिंपल
I have.
आई हैव।
आई हैव माई शूज पॉलिश्ड एवरी संडे। आई हैव माई शूज पॉलिश्ड।
Every Sunday.
जो फिक्स है वो उस पर ध्यान नहीं देना ज्यादा, उस पे बस एक्नॉलेज कर लेना है। जो टेंस के हिसाब से चेंज हो रहा है उसको देखो। आई हैव माई शूज पॉलिश्ड एवरी संडे। हिंदी करना।
मैं हर संडे को
My
अपने
कर
पॉलिश करवाता हूँ।
करवाता
मैं
हूँ।
हर संडे को अपने जूता पॉलिश करवाता
वेरी गुड। आई हैव माई शूज पॉलिश्ड एवरी संडे। गॉट इट?
yes, sir.
ये अभी visualize me, guys. Close your eyes. Visualize me. I'm sitting in my garden on a chair. See me sitting in a chair in my garden. And there is a person. He is holding the water can or container. And he is moving from one plant to another plant. And he is watering the plants. And I have 100, 200 rupees in front of me on the table that I'm going to give to that man. ओके? मेरे को फोन आता है, विनय क्या कर रहे हो? मैं क्या बोलूं? मैं क्या
I'm
बोलूं दोस्तों?
having.
हिंदी में
I'm
बताना,
have.
हिंदी में बताना, हिंदी मैं क्या बोलूं? तो फोन पे क्या बताऊं, क्या कर रहा हूं मैं? मैं
पानी
पौधों में
पानी
गार्डन में
डलवा
पानी
रहा हूँ।
दिलवा
पानी
रहा
हूँ।
हूँ।
डलवा रहा हूँ।
पानी पता रहा
पानी
हाँ,
डलवा रहा
पानी।
हूं, मैं पौधे में पानी डलवा रहा हूं।
हम्म।
एनी प्रॉब्लम्स गाइस?
हूँ।
ओके। नाउ वर्ब तो तुम्हें पता ही होगा। आई एम हैविंग
I'm having
My
my
shoes
garden
I'm
watered.
माई
my
प्लांट्स। आई एम हैविंग माई प्लांट्स
Plants
daughter।
watered.
watered. I'm having my plants watered. I'm having my plants watered. ठीक है? उसके पहले जब मेरे को तुमने देखा था कंटेनर पकड़े हुए, तो उसका ये हिंदी क्या होती है? आई एम वाटरिंग माई प्लांट्स। उसमें मैंने क्या बोला था? आई एम वाटरिंग माई
Plants.
प्लांट। इस बार मैं बैठा हूं दोस्तों। आई एम हैविंग माई प्लांट्स वाटर्ड। गॉट इट? अब मुझे बताना, इंग्लिश में डायरेक्ट बताना, ठीक है? इमेजिन मी, विजुअलाइज मी। क्लोज योर आईज, क्लोज योर आईज। I am sitting at a desk. My TV is open, okay, and I'm holding a screwdriver, and I have some other equipments. It's just me there. I am pasine pasine. I'm very, sweating, okay. कुछ चीजें खुली पड़ी हैं, कुछ चीजें लगी, and I'm working. मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ दोस्तों? रिपेयर यूज करो, रिपेयर यूज करो। बोलो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? रिपेयर टीवी। चलो बोलो क्या कर रहा हूँ? What am I doing?
I am having my TV repaired.
पौड़ा गया लड़का। ताड़ी पी गया रे लड़का, ताड़ी पी गया तू?
I'm repairing my TV.
I'm repairing my TV.
I am
You are
repairing my
Yeah.
TV.
repairing your
I'm
TV.
ने
repairing.
मुझे अब विजुअलाइज किया, क्या देखा? विनय वाज रिपेयरिंग हिज टीवी, राइट? यही विजुअलाइज किया ना तुमने?
Yes, sir.
गणपत ताड़ी पी लिया है। गणपत गर्मी मत मत पिया कर, जाड़े में ठीक है। अभी दोपहर में पी लिया है। कहता है हैविंग। अभी मैं इससे पूछी पापा का नाम क्या, बोलेगा हैविंग फलना प्रसाद। क्योंकि अभी हैविंग चल रहा, तो हैविंग चलता रहेगा, चाहे कुछ भी बोलवाओ। अभी मैंने तुमसे कहा कि देखो विजुअलाइज करो, मैं बैठा हूँ कि मेरे हाथ में स्क्रू ड्राइवर है, सोल्डरिंग है, ये बताया, तो चार इक्विपमेंट्स रखे, सिर्फ मैं हूं, मैं पसीने पसीने हो रहा हूँ, मैंने कुछ चीजें खोल रखी है। मैंने पूछा मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? फिर बोलता है सर आई एम, क्या करते हो गणपत, स्लो क्यों हो जाता है तुम्हारा मशीन इतना, कम ऑन। चलो बताओ क्या हो रहा है रेनू?
You are repairing your TV.
You are
आई एम
repairing
रिपेयरिंग
your
माई
TV.
टीवी, राइट। इमेजिन करो दूसरा चिक पिक्चर, टीवी खुला पड़ा है लेकिन टेबल पे मैं नहीं बैठा, कोई और बैठा है, मैं दूसरी जगह आराम से बैठा हूँ, ठीक है, मोबाइल चला रहा हूँ। वो मेरी टीवी है, मेरे पॉकेट में 500 रुपए रखे उसको देने के लिए, ठीक है। वो बेचारा लगा पड़ा है, मेरे को फोन आता है, क्या कर रहे हो विनय? क्या बोलूं मैं?
Repair
I'm
करवा
having my
रहा
TV
हूँ।
repaired.
रिपेयरिंग करवाओ।
इंग्लिश।
You are having your TV
Your
repaired.
TV repaired.
योर टीवी रिपेयर।
You are having your TV repaired.
राइट।
You are having.
प्रॉब्लम्स।
हम्म
मुझे कोई ग्रामर पढ़ाने की जरूरत है? हो गया, सिचुएशन समझ में आ गया है,
हम्म
बात खत्म। सिचुएशन से कनेक्ट करो, दिमाग अब मैं बोलूं कॉजेटिव वर्ब ये होता है, फलना होता है, तुम भी जाकर वीडियो देखो कॉजेटिव वर्ब के, पागल बनते रहोगे। जो जो बता रहे हैं ना उन्हीं को नहीं पता, आधा अधूरा, आधा अधूरा पता उनको, ठीक है। वो आधा अधूरा पता है, सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये है, तो वो समझाएंगे क्या बेचारे। काम जब वीरेंद्र सहवाग चौका मारता है ना तो लगता है कितना आसान है।
हम्म
तो जब आप कोई काम बहुत अच्छे से करना जानते हैं तो आसान लगना चाहिए वो। क्यों मैं इसको कॉम्प्लिकेटेड करूं? कितना आसान से दो चार बार आंख बंद करवाया, सीख गए। बताओ, मैं खड़ा हूं खेत में, एक आदमी ट्रैक्टर लेकर मेरे खेत को जोत रहा है, प्लो कर रहा है, प्लो प्लो, ओके, PLOUGH, प्लो, ओके। मैं खड़ा हूं, फोन आया, क्या कर रहे हो? अरे खेतवा जुतवा रहे हैं यार, है ना, यही बोलेंगे ना।
हम्म।
इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे?
I'm having my land
I am
plowed.
having
You
my
are having
land
your
My
feet
plowed.
fields, my fields plowed.
My
load
fields.
My field
load
fields
Plowed.
plowed.
Load. Load.
So, do you tailor your clothes or do you have your clothes tailored? Do you tailor your clothes or do you have your clothes tailored? What is the fact about you?
I
I tailor my clothes.
You tailor your own clothes?
Yeah. I don't.
No, tailor.
No, no,
Stitch.
no, no, no.
Do you
No,
tailor your own?
I
I
have
I
my clothes tailored.
I have my clothes
You have
tailored.
your clothes tailored, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. Adib, do you do your homework or do you have your homework done?
I do my homework.
You do your own homework, okay? Ruksar, do you wash your clothes or you have your clothes washed? Ruku, do you wash your clothes or do you have your clothes washed?
Have you clothes wash?
You don't wash your clothes.
No, sir.
Okay. Ruksar is lucky. She doesn't washes her clothes. She doesn't do her laundry. She has her laundry done. Right, guys? What about the rest of you? Do you do your own laundry or do you have your laundry done?
I do my laundry
I do my own laundry, right?
on laundry. Yeah.
Anshu?
Do you know, sir? फर्स्ट टाइम योर रुक मेरे पापा मुझे रुक्कू कहते थे।
Hmm. आपके पापा? I'm so sorry. मुझे
क्या करें?
पता नहीं था, मैं आपको इमोशनल नहीं करना चाह रहा था. I just called you that way.
नो सर.
Hmm. Anish, do you have time to do your own laundry or do you have your laundry done?
I do my laundry done, sir.
You do your laundry yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal or Shah Jahan had the Taj Mahal built?
Raja had the Taj Mahal built.
Shahjahan had the Taj Mahal built.
Taजमहल
He did not build the Taj Mahal with his own hands, right? He had the Taj Mahal built.
Built.
विजुअलाइज करो शाहजहां को खड़ा देखो वहां पर. हाँ जी, ऐसे करा रहे उधर उधर वाला नीचे करो, उधर उधर व्हाइट कलर लगाओ. क्या कर रहा है उधर, है ना? Shahjahan had the Taj Mahal built. He did not build the Taj Mahal. So before we got this selfie camera phones, when we had cameras, remember? So did we take our own photos or did we have our photos taken back in those days? Back in those days.
We had our
We
photo
had
taken.
our photo taken.
We had our photos taken, right?
Our photos taken.
We used to ask somebody, bhai, photo खींच देना, right? Yeah. But now with the selfie camera, we just, yeah. So he said, we are going to have our photos taken. We are going to have our photos
Our photos
taken in front of the famous music gates. Famous music gate. Shall I move on? Or you still have doubts?
No, sir.
हम सैटरडे को बाल नहीं कटवाते हैं.
We don't cut our. We don't have our hair cut on
Cut
Saturday.
on Saturday. We don't have our hair cut on Saturday. Right. Is there a day you prefer to have your hair cut? Is there a day you have is there a day you prefer to have your hair cut?
Yeah, it could be Wednesday.
Wednesday. Well, for me, it is any day I'm free, because I don't believe in any superstitions. So I don't believe in Thursday we should not have our haircut or Saturday we should not have our haircut. I had a haircut today itself. I'm a free soul. I don't like to be in restrictions of this kind. There are a lot of restrictions already, social restrictions, and then superstitions. Nah, can't handle. Okay.
In front of the famous music gates.
In front of the famous music gates. We are going to have our photo taken in front of the famous music gates.
And then we go into the house.
Then we go into the house.
Into the house.
And then we go into the house. फिर जाते हम लोग अंदर.
Uh-huh. Then what?
Uh-huh. Then what?
A guide is going to give us a history.
A guide is going to give us a history of the house. A guide is going to give us the history, a history of the house. A guide is going to give us a history
of the house while we're in the entrance hall.
Which house? Do we know which house he's talking about?
Elvis' house.
Presley's house.
Elvis's house. That's why the house. Okay.
And then we're going to see Elvis's living room.
And then we are going to see Elvis's living
room.
Then we are going to see Elvis's living room.
And his music room.
And his music room. We are going to see his music room. His living room and then his music room.
And what's in the music room?
And what's in the music room? What's in the music room? Kya hai? What's in the music room?
There's a television.
There is a television. There is a television. Television hai.
And a piano.
And a piano. Or piano hai. There is a television and a piano. What's in the music room?
There is a television
There is a
and
television and
a
a piano.
piano.
There is a television and a piano. किसी को लग रहा है कि एंड से जुड़ा हुआ तो आर होना चाहिए, ऐसा लग रहा है किसी को? A television and a piano.
No.
नहीं लग रहा, लग नहीं रहा तो अच्छी बात है, होना भी नहीं चाहिए. There is a television and a piano.
We're going to see the piano that Elvis played himself.
We are going to see the piano that Elvis played himself. What an exciting thing to do. We are going to see the piano that Elvis played himself. अरे बाबा, हम लोग वो वाला पियानो देखेंगे जो एल्विस खुद बजाता था भाई. We are going to see the piano that Elvis played himself. Repeat.
We are going to see the piano that Elvis
Piano
played
that
himself.
Elvis played himself.
Very well done. We are going to see the piano that Elvis played himself.
We're going to see the piano that Elvis played himself.
यहाँ himself का मकसद है एल्विस को एम्फसाइज करना. एल्विस प्लेड हिमसेल्फ, एल्विस खुद प्ले करता था उस पियानो को. हम लोग वो चरखा देखने जा रहे हैं जिसको गांधी जी खुद चलाते थे भाई. वी आर गोइंग टू सी द चरखा
That
Gandhi ji used himself.
That Gandhiji used himself.
अरे हम लोग वो तलवार देखने जा रहे जो लक्ष्मीबाई खुद यूज करती थी यार.
we are going to
We are going
see
to
the
see
We are going to
show
see the talwar
that
that Rani
Lakshmi
Lakshmibai
ji used
herself.
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 Well done, my dear students. Just a little correction, improvement, not correction, improvement. Okay, there is a difference in correction and improvement. Okay, your sentence is right, but it can be improved a little bit. Okay, we are going to see the sword that Rani Lakshmi Bai fought with herself.
Sir, come again. Fought with?
Fought with.
Fought with. Okay. Got it. Fought with.
She fought with that sword now.
Yeah.
You guys used the word used. Rani Lakshmi Bai used herself, right? And I'm saying Rani Lakshmi Bai fought with herself.
Fought with herself. Yeah.
मेरे पास वो लेटर्स हैं जो गांधी जी ने खुद लिखे थे.
I have the letters that Gandhiji wrote.
that Gandhiji wrote himself.
Gandhiji wrote himself.
Himself.
जरा रिदम में लेके आओ ना, रिदम में बोलो ना इस बात को.
I have the letters
I have the letter
that Gandhiji wrote
that Gandhiji wrote himself.
रेनू तुम खुद ही ना हमको नंबर दी थी, कैसे बोलेंगे?
Didn't you give the number?
Myself.
Yourself?
Perfect. You yourself gave me the number and now you are saying where I got it from. क्या बकवास है ये? You yourself gave me your number.
You yourself gave me the number.
You yourself gave me the number.
You yourself gave me the number.
तुम खुद ही ना बोली थी कि चल जाओ सिनेमा, और जब हम चले गए तो झगड़ा कर रही हो क्यों हम गए सिनेमा तुम्हारे बगैर. You yourself told me, right?
You yourself told me to go to the cinema.
to go to the cinema. And now you are asking me why I went without you. And now you are quarreling over why I went without you. And now you are quarreling over why I
Over
went,
why
why I
without
went
you?
Without
without
you.
you. And now you are quarreling over.
Why I
Now you
went
are calling over
without you.
why-
कॉर्लिंग ओवर समझ में आया? कितना बढ़िया लगा?
yeah.
हल्के से सरका दिया मैंने, ऐसे ऐसे सरका दिया और दिमाग में घुस गया। कॉर्लिंग ओवर घुस गया ना? किसी चीज पे झगड़ा करना का पता चल गया कैसे बोलना है? छोटी
Quarreling
छोटी ऐसे छोटी छोटी बातों पे झगड़ा नहीं करते। We shouldn't
We shouldn't quarreling over
we shouldn't
quarrel
quarrel over.
over
small
We shouldn't
things.
quarrel
over
over. We
small
shouldn't quarrel
things.
over small things
We
like this.
shouldn't quarrel
Quarrel
over
over
small
small
things
things
like
like this.
this.
What is a small thing?
Like this.
Yeah. Nowadays there are videos जहाँ बोलते हैं ना, it was just a movie. uh, and the movie was, और उसके बाद वो एक गजब का सीन दिखाएंगे ना, why are you crying, it was just a movie, and the movie was, उसके बाद जबरदस्त सीन, कोई भी रो दे ऐसा सीन। Okay, we are going to see the piano that Elvis played himself. दूसरा तरीके से सुनना, we are going to see the piano that Elvis himself played. We are going to see the piano that Elvis himself played. We are going to see the piano that Elvis played himself. Got it? Both are fine. Both are fine. Are you guys getting my lesson, guys? Good. I'm happy.
Amazing.
Amazing. You're going to see the piano that Elvis played himself. Amazing.
And can you go everywhere?
And can you go everywhere? Can you go everywhere?
Upstairs and downstairs?
Can you go everywhere? Upstairs and downstairs?
Yes,
Can you
and
go everywhere?
downstairs.
Are you going to see his bedroom?
No,
Are you going to see his bedroom? बेडरूम भी देखने जाइएगा आप लोग?
no. Upstairs is private.
No. Upstairs is private. Bedroom is private.
But we are going to see his basement after.
But we are going to see his basement. But we are going to see his basement.
Basement.
But we are going to see his
After the
basement
music room.
after the music room. We are going to
After
see
the
the
music.
his basement after the music room.
After the music.
Where there are 3 televisions.
Where there are 3 televisions.
Three televisions.
Where there are 3 televisions.
3 televisions.
What is in the music room?
There are only one
There are
television
3
and
televisions.
piano.
Nah, Shvankar, you missed it. What is in the music room, not in the basement?
There
Ah,
are
okay, okay.
one
There
television
are a
and piano.
television and a
And a
piano.
piano.
रेनू को ना
There is
बच्ची होती तो मैं उसको भी पीटता,
There
पता है?
is Elvis piano.
there is a television and a piano.
हाँ, रेनू को ना अभी बच्ची होती ना वो, तो उसकी पिटाई होती, पता है? क्योंकि रेनू बदमाशी करी। किया ना रेनू
What
आपने बदमाशी?
what did I do, sir?
हाँ, क्या बदमाशी किया मैं बताऊं?
Yeah, sir.
When I asked you, किसी को लग रहा था कि ए टीवी एंड अ पियानो प्लूरल है, आर होना चाहिए, तो आपने कुछ नहीं कहा, और अभी आप कह रही हैं देयर आर ए टीवी एंड अ पियानो। अ अ अ क्या था ये, क्या था ये? उसमें तो चुप रही, नहीं नहीं मेरे को नहीं पूछना, और अभी जानबूझ के बोलिए देयर आर ए टीवी एंड अ पियानो। हाँ, कि देखो अफसर क्या बोलते हैं। क्या रेनू बताइए, क्या था ये?
I forgot, sir, because I thought there are two things.
अरे
There are
अरे रे 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 रे, मैंने यही कहा था ना कि किस किस को यहाँ लगता है कि अगर ए टीवी एंड पियानो दो चीज है तो आर होना चाहिए, इज नहीं, तो सब चुप रहे, साथ में रेनू भी चुप रही थी। मैंने पूछा था कि नहीं, एक्सप्लिसिटली पूछा था कि नहीं, किसको किसको लगता है ऐसा?
Hmm.
आपने कहा था कि मुझे लगता है ऐसा कि आर होना चाहिए।
No, I didn't say that.
अभी तो आराम से आप बोली ना, देर आर ए टीवी एंड अ पियानो। और जब मैं पूछ रहा हूँ तो आप कह रही हैं, हाँ मुझे लगा एंड से जुड़ा है तो आर होना चाहिए। तो उस समय क्यों चुप थी? उस समय कोई और था क्या जो सुन रहा था ये सब? आप नहीं थी? फिर क्यों नहीं बोली
Yes.
उस समय? इसलिए मैंने कहा कि अगर आप छोटी बच्ची होती तो अभी आपकी पिटाई होती इस बदमाशी के लिए कि आपने क्या किया है। स्मार्ट बनी है आप, लेकिन मैं आपका टीचर हूँ, टीचर नहीं। है
Yes.
ना? पकड़ लिया मैंने फट से। देखो उन्होंने जान के बोला था देर आर ए टीवी एंड एंड पियानो। उस समय नहीं पूछी वो। बता देता हूँ, ठीक है, सुनिए। कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता एंड से जुड़ा हो किससे जुड़ा हो। देयर वाले सेंटेंसेस में जो पहला नाउन होगा उसके हिसाब से वर्ब होगा, बात खत्म। अब क्या बोल रहे हो नहीं बोल रहे हो उससे मतलब, पहला नाउन जो है उसी के हिसाब से वर्ब होगा। देर इज ए पिया टीवी एंड अ पियानो, ठीक है। अगर मैं बोलूं देर इज अ बॉटल एंड टू ग्लासेस, सही है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। देर इज अ बॉटल एंड टू ग्लासेस, मतलब पकड़ा गया है इस कैसे, तो हाँ पहला नाउन क्या है? ए बॉटल ना।
Hmm.
अगर आप उलट के बोल दो देर आर टू ग्लासेस एंड अ बॉटल, सही है। बोले आर क्यों बोलेंगे इस बार? क्योंकि पहला नाउन क्या है? टू ग्लासेस।
Hmm.
तो क्या
Yes.
बोलना होगा?
Hmm. Hmm.
तो सीधा सीधा रखें चीजों को। जब मैंने पूछा था उसमें बोलना चाहिए था ना कि सर मेरे को बिल्कुल लगता है कि हाँ आर होना चाहिए। चुप क्यों रही थी ये बताइए रेनू।
Because I asked too many questions.
ये आपके मन में खुद से बैठा हुआ है। अगर ऐसा होता तो मैं खुद से क्वेश्चन क्यों बनवाता, और कि अगर कोई बहुत ज्यादा सवाल, टू मेनी क्वेश्चंस पूछ ही रहा ऑलरेडी, तो मैं अपने तरफ से फिर और क्वेश्चन क्यों क्रिएट करवाऊं रेनू।
Yes.
आप कितना गलत है कैसे साबित हो गया कितना आसानी से। मैंने खुद से बोला किसको किसको ऐसा लगता है, इसका मतलब मैं चाह रहा हूं कि ये सवाल पूछा जाए।
Hmm.
लेकिन किसी ने नहीं पूछा तो मैंने कहा जब पूछा ही नहीं तो अच्छी बात है, रहने दो, सब खुश हैं देर इज से। आप लोग अपनी पढ़ाई को ना सिंपल रहने दें, ऐसे कॉम्प्लिकेटेड ना बनाएं कि मैं आई एम आस्किंग टू मेनी क्वेश्चंस। अगर जितने आप पूछ रहे हो उससे 10 गुना भी पूछना पड़े जेन्युइनली, जब आपको लगे कि मेरे को पूछना है, मेरे मन में चल रहा है ये सवाल, तो आपका हक है ये, हाँ कि ना?
Yes.
He liked to watch three TVs all at the same time.
So in the music room there is a TV and a piano, and what is in the basement?
There are two
There are
TV,
three
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 TVs,
televisions.
three television. There are three
But we are
televisions.
going to see his basement after the music room, where there are three televisions.
What is in the basement? There are three televisions.
There
There
are
are
three
three
televisions.
Three
televisions.
televisions. Three televisions.
What is behind you, Anshu? On the wall?
What is that?
Hello. Yes. Yes, hello. बहुत गलत कर रहे हो आप लोग। हम बताएंगे जब हम कॉल बैक करेंगे तो पता चलेगा क्या हुआ। Okay. Yeah. What is there? What is the on the wall behind you, Anshu?
There is a craft paper.
Huh?
There is a flower to make craft paper.
There are some flowers made with craft paper. There are some
Made
flowers.
with
There are some.
flowers. Flowers to made with craft paper.
Yeah. Okay. Made with की जगह made of भी बोल सकते थे। Made of craft paper. Made of. Okay. Made of craft paper. And what is that behind you, Anshu? A house type thing?
There is a temple
Okay. Okay.
to made of
It is made of wood.
Wood too. Yeah,
It is made of wood.
it is made of wood.
Then we are going to the basement where there are three televisions. Where there are three televisions.
He liked to watch 3 TVs all at the same time.
He liked to watch three TVs all at the same time. He liked to watch three TVs all at the same time. What kind of person was he? He liked to watch three televisions all at the same time. In India, can you marry two women at the same time?
Can't be possible.
Yeah?
It's rare case.
No, it is not possible, no? It is illegal. You can't marry two women at the same time. You can, if you are a Muslim person, then you can. But otherwise, you can't. You can't marry two women at the same time. You cannot. It is illegal. It is called bigamy. It is called bigamy. Okay, bigamy is illegal in India. Okay, another question. Can you date two women at the same time in India?
Yeah.
Well, you can.
Dating, because dating is not illegal in
Well,
India.
you can if you can keep it a secret. If you can hide one from the other.
Yes.
Can you date two women at the same time? Well, you can if you can hide one from the other. Okay,
Sir.
the same time. How many? Okay, sometimes when you are in a hurry, then you take two steps and you are climbing the stairs, then you take two steps at the same time, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, at the same time, साथ साथ एक साथ at the same time. Okay. Some students, attend two classes at the same time, one class and two online classes at the same time. Anshu, have you done that? Have you ever attended two classes at the same time? Two online
Yes,
classes?
I had.
क्या ही कर लिया होगा तुमने यार क्या ही कर लिया होगा यार two classes at the same time. I would not do it. I know. I mean, I could do it.
One laptop and another phone.
Oh, yeah, of course. The problem is not that whether you had the device or not. From where would you bring two minds to focus on two things at the same time? Because you have just one mind. You cannot focus on two things at the same time.
Really? That's strange.
Really? That's strange. Really? That's strange.
Next,
That's strange that he liked to watch three TVs all at the same time. That's strange.
we go to a room where we're going to see all his gold records.
Okay, I'll tell you something. I often eat machli bhat with a spoon. I often eat machli bhat with a spoon.
That's strange.
That's strange, isn't it, शिवांकर? लेकिन इन लोगों को कुछ नहीं लगा. इन लोग सब सोए हुए हैं. था. हाँ, तो ठीक है. तो आगे बोलिए. हाँ, तो आप मछली भात खाते हैं चम्मच से. और बोलिए आगे. हाँ, लेकिन शिवांकर को लगा ये जी मछली भात चम्मच से कौन खाता है भाई? That's strange.
And a lot of the clothes he wore when he was performing to watch 3 TVs all at the same time.
Really? That's strange.
Next, we go to a room where we're going to see all his gold
Next, we go to a room where we are going to see all his
records.
Gold records. Next, we go to a room where we are going to see all his gold records. Okay, they go to a room where they're going to see all his gold records.
And a lot of the clothes he wore when
And a lot of the clothes he wore. And a lot of the clothes he wore when? He wore when?
he was performing.
When he was performing. And a lot of the clothes he wore when he was performing. You know, these performers have a special clothes for stage performances, right? They do not wear those clothes in everyday situation and life, right? In their day-to-day life. They wear different clothes for stage. They have different clothes for stage and different clothes for their, real life events and attend events that they attend and when they go shopping and stuff. So next they are going to see, they're going to a room where they are going to see his gold records and a lot of the clothes he wore when he was performing.
Then there's another museum.
Then there is another museum. Then they're going to a second museum, another museum,
where we're going to see his collection of cars.
where they are going to see his collection of cars. And in the second museum, they are going to see his collection of cars. His collection of cars. So when you hear something like that, his collection of cars, then do you expect to see two, three cars or a bigger number, guys?
Bigger number.
Cars.
Collection of cars.
Wow! How many did he have?
Wow, how many did he have? How many
Did he have? Did he
did
have?
he have? अगर तुमने इन ऑडियो फाइल्स को खूब सुना दोस्तों, ठीक है, तो बातचीत में, बोलचाल में बहुत सारे लाइंस मुंह पे ऐसे ही आ जाएंगे, बिना मेहनत के, एफर्टलेसली आ जाएंगे. How many did he have? How many do you have? कुछ बात हो रही हो? अरे black shoes, black shoes. I don't want black shoes. I have plenty. How many do you have? हो गया ना? आ गया ना? Black shoes. I don't want black shoes. I have quite a few pairs of black shoes. Oh, how many do you have? About 8, 9 pairs of black shoes. 8, 9 pairs. Yeah. आसान है ना? How many do you have? How many did he have?
Oh, lots.
Lots. Lots. He had lots of cars. Lots. Lots ना बोलना चाहे तो क्या बोल सकते हैं? A lot. He had a lot. A lot.
He loved cars.
He loved cars. He loved cars.
And there are also two of his planes.
And also two of his planes. He loved cars. ये लाइन सुना तुम लोगों ने? He loved cars. ये सब सेंटेंसेस तुम्हारे लिए इतना फाउंडेशन बनाते हैं. मैं क्यों बोलता हूँ ऐसे पता है? बिकॉज मैंने इतना अनुभव रखा है, जो लोग इंग्लिश अच्छा नहीं जानते वो इन 3 वर्ड के सेंटेंस में ऊपर नीचे करते हैं बच्चों. ही लव्ड कार्स नहीं बोल पाते लोग सही से. ही बोल देंगे ही लव्ड द कार्स, ही लव्ड कार. ठीक है, और सब गलत है, सब गलत है. इंग्लिश में ग्रामेटिकली रॉन्ग है ये सब. क्या बोलना पड़ेगा तुम्हें?
He loved cars.
Loved
लव्ड
God.
कार्स.
Cars.
हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे?
कार.
उसको कार बहुत पसंद है, उसको कार
पसंद थी.
बहुत
कार बहुत
इंटरेस्ट
पसंद.
लव्ड कार्स.
कार.
मान लो आप किसी के बारे में बात कर रहे हो, बोल रहे हो उसको अमरूद बहुत अच्छा लगता था.
He loved guava.
He loved guavas.
उस्मा गलती कर गई थोड़ी सी,
He loved guavas.
लेकिन मुझे खुशी इस बात की उस्मा कि तुम इतनी कोशिश कर रही हो. आज तुम ही हो ना उस्मा?
Yes, sir.
बी ऑन कैमरा.
लाइट
तुरंत
नहीं है सर.
झूठ बोल रही हो, फिर कोई और है.
नो सर, आई एम.
नो सर, इट्स मी उस्मा. हम ही है सर, उस्मा है सर, कैसे बोलेंगे?
नो सर, इट्स मी.
मुझे तो यकीन नहीं हो रहा. और जब मैंने टेस्ट करना चाहता तुमने बहाना बना दिया. लाइट नहीं है, लाइट नहीं होने से कैमरा ऑन नहीं होता.
ओके, 1 मिनट.
Hello, sir. Can I leave the class?
यस गणपत.
Because my phone is not charged, sir.
ओके. हाँ, उस्मा, रियली इट इज सो डार्क उस्मा.
यस सर.
आज इतना क्या खा के आई हो तुम क्लास में दैट यू आर सो एक्टिव, सो इन्वॉल्व, इतना जवाब दे रहे हो? क्या हो गया? ये सब अदीब का किया धरा है ना?
नहीं सर, वो तो आया भी नहीं है।
नहीं, कहने का मतलब उसने हेल्प करी है ना आजकल में तुम्हारी।
नहीं, उसने कोई हेल्प नहीं करी है।
चॉकलेट नहीं लिया उसने?
नहीं।
क्या दीप, यू मिस द चांस बॉय। Adib, you missed the chance
Yes,
to get chocolate from, Uzma. Why didn't you go and help her?
I think she doesn't want.
She doesn't want help.
Yeah.
Wow.
No sir, he is very busy, a student.
He is very busy, no doubt.
No, sir, I'm not. I'm coming.
Okay, Adib, go help
I'm
her.
going
Yes.
to her house.
Yeah, please do. Please do.
रिकॉर्डिंग मैंने रिकॉर्डिंग देखकर प्रैक्टिस की।
That's lovely, Uzma beta. I'm very proud of you. अगर कोई ऐसा मेहनत करता है ना, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि मैं जानता हूँ कि इंग्लिश
It,
बोलने के लिए कोई टैलेंट की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती।
it is going to help more than me, sir.
Yeah. Exactly. Watching the recording will be such a good idea. और फिर से
यस
बता
सर।
दूं, सारे लोग के दिमाग में ये बात क्लियर कर दूं। Learning English is such an easy thing to do. It doesn't require you to be talented. It doesn't require you to have any sort of talent. All you need is just a little bit of common sense. That's it. Average intelligent people can learn to speak English really well, provided they just make efforts, honest efforts. बात बात करने के लिए टैलेंट थोड़ी चाहिए, खूबसूरत तरीके से बात करने के लिए टैलेंट चाहिए, वो मैं नहीं बोल रहा। बात करना तो सबको आ जाएगा। So what was the last line, guys? He loved cars and two of his planes, and two of his planes.
His
could you
planes?
please repeat this line, sir? And two of
Sure.
his planes.
Yes,
Of
ma'am.
cars.
Wow. How many did he have?
Oh, lots. He loved cars. And there are also two of his planes.
And also two of his planes. Yes, Renu, what's your question?
Sir, I couldn't get it. What is
And
in this?
also two of his planes. In the museum, you can also see two of his planes. Two of his planes. Two of his planes.
His planes?
His planes? So much, she's so surprised. His planes?
This museum is enormous.
This museum is enormous. Remember the word enormous?
This museum is
This
normal.
museum is enormous, huge.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. It is enormous. It is big.
And finally, we're going to see his grave.
And finally, we are going to see his grave. Finally, we are going to see his grave. Anshu, grave means beta? Kabr.
I don't know.
Kabr, where dead bodies are buried. Finally, we are going to see his grave.
Where he's buried.
Where he is buried. Where he is buried. He's buried there. Buried. Pronunciation. Buried. He's buried. सुन रहे हो ना? Let me show you. Let me show you.
He's buried. He's buried.
Where he is buried.
इसको दफनाया गया है।
Come again.
तो
हाँ,
वहां इसको दफनाया गया।
yes, yes. जहां वो दफनाया गया है.
जहाँ वो दफनाया गया।
Look, Bury. सुना तो होगा. Bury, Bury.
Buried.
Pronunciation. Can you see? Bury. The pronunciation is Bury.
And I
I-E-D.
wrote
Buried.
body.
Buried.
And I wrote body. It's a WRRIED.
Where he is buried. हाँ हाँ, मरा हुआ आदमी 100 साल 50 साल पहले अभी buried होगा ही, सही बोली तुम. कॉमन सेंस तो तुम्हारा खूब काम किया। मैंने क्या कहा था कि तुम्हें कुछ नहीं चाहिए, थोड़ा कॉमन सेंस चाहिए। तुम एक इंसान के बारे में बात कर रहे हो जो था, राइट? और तुमने लिखा वेयर ही इज।
सर जब ऑडियो फाइल सुनी तो मुझे लगा वॉरिड बोल रहा है, तो मैं
हाँ तो
लिख दी।
बोला तो उसको पूछना चाहिए था ना कि कौन वरीड है भाई, जो मर गया वो वरीड है? ही इज वरीड। पूछना था अपने आप से कि जो मर गया वो वरीड कैसे है भाई? ही कौन है? ही कौन है उस सेंटेंस में?
एल्विस।
एल्विस इज वरीड। अंशु, एल्विस इज वरीड आफ्टर डेथ। ओके।
Oh, how sad. Planes? This museum is enormous.
Yes, it is. And finally, we're going to see his grave, where he's buried.
Where he is buried. Where he is buried.
Oh, how sad.
Oh, how sad. तो लिंक कैसे किया अंशु? आगे पीछे वाली बात को लिंक कैसे किया वरीड लिखने के बाद? बोलो उतना
तो
हम
मैं
करते
सुन
हैं।
रही थी और लिखती चली गई।
बस लिखती चलेगी, उतना हम करते हैं, यही तो मेरा जवाब था। उतना हम करते हैं सर, लिंक विंक करेंगे, कौन क्या बोला, उसका क्या मतलब, वो इतना हम करेंगे सर। मेरा सिर नहीं दर्द हो जाएगा सर, क्या अभी बात करते हैं, छोटी सी बच्ची है हम, छोटा सा मेरा दिमाग है सर। ऐसे बोलना था, राइट अंशु? अंशु मैं बताऊं, कुछ बातें कड़वी होती बेटा, ठीक है, लेकिन वो बोली जानी चाहिए, खास करके टीचर्स की तरफ से। इट इज आवर जॉब टू यू नो encourage you guys to do great, but it is also our job to show you the reality as well sometimes. Why do we give you tests? ताकि तुम्हें अपनी रियलिटी का एहसास होता रहे, राइट? तो तुमने जो वरीड लिखा आगे पीछे कुछ सोचा नहीं, ऐसे काम ही नहीं करते, ये नेचर है तुम्हारा, ये तुम्हारी पढ़ाई लिखाई में, ये तुम्हारा व्यक्तित्व है, ये पर्सनालिटी तुम्हारी, कि तुम्हें कनेक्शन नहीं देखना है कि वर्ड लिखे तो उससे पहले वाली बात से कोई लिंक बना के नहीं, उसके बाद जो बोला गया उसमें कोई लिंक बना के नहीं। इट इज जस्ट नॉट योर नेचर टू थिंक अबाउट दीज थिंग्स। एंड आई नो कि रेनू ऐसा नहीं कर सकेंगी। वो कहेंगी अरे ये सब बोला तो क्या मतलब है, ऐसा क्या हो गया, यहाँ कनेक्शन क्या बन रहा है इस बात का। एंड दैट इज सो गुड अबाउट हर पर्सनैलिटी कि ये चीज कर पाती है वो। आप सबको करना चाहिए चीज। कभी कभी क्या है कि इतना उलझ नहीं जाना चाहिए, समटाइम्स शी ओवर डज इट, दैट्स ऑल्सो ट्रू रेनो। Sometimes you should keep it simple so that you can use your common sense. If you become obsessed, what is the word? Obsessed. तो फिर आप सामने वाली चीज नहीं देख पाओगे, अरे यही तो था। Oh, so sad.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Then in the evening, we're going to watch a video.
Then in the evening, we are going to watch a video. क्या इसके बाद भी हमें going to पे दिक्कत होगा अपना intention plan बताने में? कितने समय से कितना एक्सरसाइज कर लिया हम लोगों ने? Then in the evening, we are going to watch a video
of one of his concerts.
Of one of his concerts. Of one of his concerts. We are going to watch a video of
one of his concerts.
Concerts.
one of his concerts.
One of his concerts.
One of his concerts. We are going to watch a video of one of his concerts.
And we're going to eat in the Rockabilly's Diner.
And we are going to eat in the Rockabilly's Diner. We are going to eat in the Rockabilly's Diner. Rockabilly's Diner is the proper noun, everybody. You can easily understand name of a place. Rockabilly's Diner. Diner is a restaurant, okay? Diner. D-I-N-E-R. Diner, okay?
And have his favorite meal.
And have his favorite meal. We are going to have his favorite meal. We are going to have his favorite meal. This is called fandom. You see, these guys are going to eat what Elvis liked, his favorite meal.
Which was a cheeseburger.
Which was a cheeseburger. What was his favorite meal? A cheeseburger.
And fries and peanut butter.
And fries and peanut butter.
And banana sandwich.
And banana sandwich. Banana sandwich sounds good to me.
Oh, well, that sounds quite a day.
The way she laughs, what a lovely laughter she has. Beautiful laughter. You know, that sounds quite a day. That sounds quite a day. क्या कहा उसने?
That
That
sounds
Quite a
sounds,
quite
day.
that
Quite a
That
sounds
day.
sounds quite a day.
quite a day.
Fries and peanut butter and banana sandwich.
Oh, well, that sounds quite a day.
Well, that sounds quite a day. That sounds quite a day.
You're going to have a good time.
You're going to have a good time. You're going to have a good time. ये बोल रही हैं, प्रेडिक्शन कर रही हैं, अब जो सुन रही है उसके हिसाब से. You're going to have a good time. मजा आएगा तुमको. समझ रहे हैं, समझ रहे हैं. मजा आने वाला है, बहुत मजा करने वाले हैं तुम लोग. You're going to have a good time. That sounds quite a day. कितने लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है?
वाह बढ़िया दिन लग ऐसा है।
That sounds quite a day.
वाह क्या दिन है।
Yeah, that's right, Renu. You got the sense. So the word quite, अगर रट्टा मारे हो तो याद ही फंसोगे ही, तो पता ही है. Quite a day, right? She is quite a girl. She's
वाह क्या लड़की है, क्या
ah
लड़की है।
yeah, she's quite a girl.
वाह,
That was quite a story. My God, that was quite a story. कुछ मजा आ रहा है? समझ में आ रहा है? आसान लग रहा है? बस एक सर्टेन लेवल पे पहुंच जाओ, उसके बाद सुनना ही सीखना है, बस और कुछ नहीं. रेनू, एफर्टलेस लर्निंग हो रही कि नहीं हो रही है कुछ?
यस सर।
दैट साउंड्स क्वाइट अरे. कभी बोला है?
हम्म
आप बोल सकते हो. लिसनिंग बिकम्स लर्निंग. Reach a certain level and listening becomes learning. You listen and you learn. That sounds quite a day. सपोज किसी ने अपने जॉब के बारे में बताया, खूब बढ़िया, सुन के तुम्हारे मन में वाह यार क्या जॉब है. That sounds quite a job.
Oh, that sounds quite a
That
job.
sounds quite a job. What are you drinking, Shubhankar? Beer?
No, it's tea,
Oh, tea. I thought
green
it's
tea.
green tea. I thought it's a beer cup. It's a beer mug, big one.
No.
Beer. By the way, drinking beer is normal in Japan, isn't it? It's cold.
Normal.
Yeah, it is.
Even sometime women's you can find women are drinking on the street.
You can find women drinking. You can find women drinking. You can find women drinking in the street. Yes,
In the
Shubhankar.
street.
Yeah. I think Tokyo has much better nightlife
It is.
than many places in Bihar and India. That sounds quite a day. You're going to have a good time.
Yes, you're right. We really are going to enjoy it.
We really are going to enjoy it. We really are going to enjoy it. We really are. हाँ, मजा तो आएगा. We really are going to enjoy it. What are you thinking about, Renu? You are very reflective mood.
नो सर, आई एम जस्ट लिसनिंग।
Yeah, we really are going to have a good time. वैसे है बताने के लिए, लेकिन मैं अभी नहीं बता रहा हूँ इस बारे में. रियली का पोजीशन आप गौर करो तो ये पहले आ गया. वी आर रियली की जगह वी रियली आर, और दोनों में फर्क है. बट अभी टाइम नहीं, अच्छा टाइम नहीं है बताने के लिए. सम अदर टाइम. ओके. वी आर रियली आर. वी आर रियली वरिड, वी रियली आर वरिड. दोनों एक ही बात नहीं है दोस्तों. वी आर रियली वरिड, वी रियली आर वरिड. दे आर टू डिफरेंट सेंटेंसेस. अगेन, ये सब सिर्फ तभी महसूस हो पाएगा जब आपकी प्रैक्टिस हो रही इंग्लिश बोलने की, सुनने की. कोई थियोरेटिकल टीचर अगर ये समझाएगा ऐसे बच्चों को जो दिन रात हिंदी में बात करते हैं, सिर्फ और सिर्फ उनका टाइम वेस्ट होगा. सुन लेंगे, हाँ हाँ मजा आया, हाँ समझ गए, कोई फायदा नहीं, फिर भूल जाएंगे. So the question answers are very easy. और उज़मा, जैसे मैंने कहा कि मुझे बस इसी चीज की जरूरत महसूस होती है कि स्टूडेंट्स इंटरेस्ट लें, अपनी तरफ से एफर्ट मारें, एंड दैट इज ऑल. और ये कंसिस्टेंटली करना होता है. इट्स नॉट 100 मीटर रेस दैट यू डू इट फॉर अ वीक और यू डू इट फॉर अ डे और 5 days. नो, you do it consistently throughout the course, and then you see the change.
Okay, sir.
Yep. Any questions, anybody, about the audio? No. Then let me give you homework. Tomorrow's homework is this page, simple and easy. But please don't stop listening to that audio. Okay, that conversation between Noboru and Sally. Listen again and again and again, couple of times, 5 times, 10 times, you know. And here we are. What did we learn yesterday? In the present perfect, experiences are expressed in the which
Sir,
tense?
but you didn't give the answer. Why he quit the conversation? 12.1
Yeah,
to
because she was
12.2.
bored. She was bored.
Okay.
Wasn't she bored?
Yes.
He was talking, oh, I've been here, I've been there.
Yes, yes. I think this same. I thought, sir.
Yeah, if anybody talks like that, you get bored, you know. Boastful person, you know, egoist, always talking about himself.
Yes,
She was not there. She was not enjoying that conversation. She
yes.
made an excuse. Well, Mel is waiting for me. I'll talk to you later. No, she's not interested. She will not talk about it. I've been here, I've been there,
Yes, sir.
I've been there so many times. Arey yaar. Okay. Sometimes you meet people like that, you know. So, the present perfect helps you express your experiences, talk about your experiences. But if you go into the details, when, why, how, then past tense, right? And in the present perfect, which form of the verb is used?
V3.
V3. And what is the combination, the helping?
Subject has have plus V3.
सब्जेक्ट बोलने क्या बात है? सब्जेक्ट तो रहना है, उसके बगैर कोई बात क्या मतलब सब्जेक्ट? हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट की बात करें, सब्जेक्ट कहां से आया इसमें? सब्जेक्ट के बगैर कोई सेंटेंस हो गया? तो ये बोल के क्या साबित किया आपने कि आप वही तोता वाला काम करो कि आपको रटवाए? तो आपने क्यों नहीं पूछा आपने कि मैं ये लोड हटा सकती हूँ कि अपने आप पर से? हाँ, हटा सकते। सब्जेक्ट सारे सेंटेंसेस में होंगे, तो फिर हमें फोकस किस बात पे करना है? V3 पे। और V3 के साथ क्या रहना है भैया?
Have.
बस इतने 2 वर्ड्स पे फोकस कर लो। हैज हैव प्लस V3, राइट? और राइट। सो अगर मैं आपको बता दूं कि कब हुआ एक्सपीरियंस, तो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट लगा सकते हैं क्या?
No.
No. No. You can only use the present perfect when you want to say yes, no, yes, no. Otherwise, you can't. तो सोचना, अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस लिखो लाइफ के। राइट कपल ऑफ सेंटेंसेस इन द ग्रुप। मैंने ये किया है, मैंने वो किया है, मेरे पापा ने ये किया है, मेरी मम्मी ने वो किया है, मेरे भाई ने ये किया है, मैंने ये कभी नहीं किया, मेरे भाई ने कभी ये नहीं किया है। Just write experiences, some sentences, and that's all for today. We'll carry on tomorrow. The class is going as well as I imagined this would go at this stage, actually. You know, in a couple of weeks ago, I was a little annoyed with a few things that going on, but now things look pretty good right now. I'm happy with whatever is happening. So keep practicing, everybody. Keep practicing. Keep doing whatever I ask you. मेरे वर्ड्स को वैल्यू करो। टीचर मैं हूं, मेरी बात मानो और करो जो मैं कहता हूं। बाकी सब मेरे पे छोड़ दो। Just do what I say. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.
Bye, sir. Or sir,
Bye-bye.
please send yes today's recording.
Today's recording, I will share. I will share today's recording. Bye.